Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. I can promise you, you're going to enjoy this video and learn a lot. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is very easy to find. You can find cinnamon in any grocery store. I love cinnamon in my hair care routine because when you use cinnamon, it can treat your scalp area to make that scalp healthy. It can also stimulate blood flow into the scalp to help promote healthy hair growth. Also, when you use cinnamon, it will condition your hair and prevent hair breakages. So I put my cinnamon in a saucepan like so, and I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. But hey, you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So, after putting my cinnamon in the saucepan, I added about 3 cups of water. So the next natural ingredient I'm going to add to today's recipe is my rosemary herbs. Today I'm using the dry rosemary, but you can also use the fresh ones. I love rosemary because of its many benefits. Rosemary can stimulate blood flow to the scalp and also promote hair growth. It will also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. Rosemary, when added to your hair care routine, can strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages, hair damage, and hair fall. So I added about a tablespoon of my rosemary herbs, and right now my recipe is ready to go on the stove. I'm going to leave this boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to show you the next thing I'm going to do. Make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because this is very important for you to follow. If you really want to grow your hair, this recipe is very powerful. You just have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits. So make sure you're following every step of it so that you will not miss all the important information. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is coffee. Coffee can be used on the scalp as well as on the hair. Coffee contains caffeine and it is a stimulant. And what it does is it can improve blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Coffee can also prevent hair breakages when added to your hair strands. Coffee is one of the natural ingredients that is very effective when it comes to stopping hair loss. So today I used about a tablespoon of coffee, and this is how it looks like in my cup. So at this point, I'm going to strain the recipe I prepared from the beginning of this video. So what you're looking at is my cinnamon sticks with my rosemary herbs boiled together. All right, so once I have my rosemary and cinnamon stick water strained like so, I'm going to add it to my coffee whilst it is still warm. After adding it to the coffee, I'm going to give it a very good stir. This recipe is so powerful, guys. If you really want to stop hair shedding or hair loss, take this recipe seriously. Also, if you want to grow your hair, your bald spot, this recipe can speed up the process for you. So after adding everything, I'm going to give it a good stir. Then the recipe is ready. At this point, I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to grow your hair much faster and also to stop hair loss. So at this point, I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. You can also put it in a mason jar. And of course, I made a lot of mess. Anyway, so once you have your coffee and cinnamon with rosemary water like so, you're going to spray it onto your scalp and also onto your hair. This recipe is both for the scalp and the hair. It is going to treat your scalp area to make it healthy, prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. It is also going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp to improve new healthy hair growth. So what you're going to do is after spraying it onto your scalp and on your hair strands, you can leave it overnight. Okay, you can cover your hair and leave it overnight. This will give this recipe a lot of time to work on your scalp as well as on your hair strand. You can go ahead and follow a wash day routine the next morning. If you don't want to leave it overnight, you can also spray it on your hair and on your scalp 45 minutes before you wash your hair. After that, cover your hair and let it sit. Go ahead and use a mild shampoo, condition your hair, and repeat this once a week. Be consistent for faster results, and I thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one.